I bought a vacuum cleaner recently. I bought a vacuum cleaner, and she was kind of upset with me, but I told her, look, it is the most powerful vacuum cleaner in the world. And she said, how do you know? And I said, because they told me on the infomercial. But despite the fact that it's the greatest vacuum cleaner ever, have you noticed that no matter how powerful a vacuum cleaner you have at home, there's always that one little piece of white fuzz that's laying there, and you're like,